Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick that can really make your designs stand out, how to create vertical text in Figma. Whether you're working on a poster, UI layout, or you just want to give your work a little extra flair, getting your text to line up vertically can make a big impact. And the best part, it's actually way easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up vertical text in Figma, and you'll be able to use it anytime you need that unique look. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and launch Figma. If you don't already have an open project, you can start a new one. It doesn't matter if you're in a team file or your drafts. This method works anywhere. You'll notice that when you first land on your Figma canvas, there's a whole world of creative possibilities right in front of you. For now though, let's focus on our text. Next, we need to add some text. Hit the text tool, that's the little T icon in your toolbar up top, or if you prefer shortcuts, just tap the T key on your keyboard. Click once anywhere on the canvas and type out the word that you want to turn vertical. It could be something simple like design, your brand name, or any word you're working with. Don't worry too much about which word to choose right now, you can always change it later. Alright, now that you've got your word on the canvas, you might notice that by default, all the letters are arranged in a straight line, left to right. We want to take those letters and stack them so they line up from top to bottom instead. Here, how we do that, click to select your text layer with the Move tool. Now comes the fun part. What you're going to do is actually resize the text box itself. Hover over the right edge of your text box until your cursor changes to that little double arrow, and then click and drag the edge of the box all the way to the left, shrinking its width. As you do this, you'll see the letters start to wrap automatically, first 2 per line, then 1, until finally, each letter sits on its own row perfectly stacked. If dragging the edge feels finicky, that's normal, just take your time and don't worry if you accidentally squish the letters too much. You can always undo and try again. It's kind of like squeezing a toothpaste tube so all the paste ends up at the top. You're just tightening the container around the letters, making them line up one after the other vertically. And that's really it. You've now made vertical text in Figma. You can treat this vertical stack just like any text layer. You can change the font, play with colors, add shadows, adjust the size, or even animate it for interactive designs. If you want the letters to be spaced out a bit more, try increasing the line height in your text settings. That'll put a little breathing room between each letter, making the vertical arrangement even crisper. So next time you need text to flow from top to bottom, maybe on a sidebar or as a bold header, remember how simple this trick is. Don't be afraid to experiment with different words, fonts, and styles. You'll be surprised at how versatile vertical text can be in your design toolkit. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about working with text in Figma, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all, and I'm here to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more quick Figma tips and full design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.